Yeah, 23 on 1024. It's 167 south at Hodges Road. Gonna be a black Challenger, Texas, William Sam George, 3656. William Sam George, 3656. How's it going, man? You know how fast you were going? You were. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. Under arrest. For what? Yes, sir. County on 1037.
We're not sure what that means. What you got?
167, we're coming on radar.
Yeah, from I'm here. Not Virginia. What's your point? Black, I believe. Come on. I want you to get from another car. I'm trying to get a better description.
TBI, all the way to Holmes. He's in the ditch.
Remember, we're going to be stopped. We're going to be here.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! 1031. Looks like the driver's bailed. I got the passenger at gunpoint.
10-4.
Crawl out now! Crawl out now! Hey, the driver bailed. It's a black male, white feeder.
10-4.
Crawl out. Where'd he go?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know if I'm right here?
Come here. Walk. 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 Turn around. Hands on the car. Where'd he go?
I don't know.
I got the car. Got it.
There's gonna be a black male in a white tank top. They're near the country.
Put your hands on the fucking car right now. Where'd he run to?
How am I supposed to know? Like, I can
You're the passenger. Put your hands on the car.
Hey, but I'm not driving. How the fuck am I supposed to know where he's running? Y'all should be going to go look for him.
Why'd he run?